Pauna House की participants सब वाले हैं न complain लाए हज़ी 100 meter race की class 3 to 5 की girls की अमत हो गए Tikendrajit House also Pauna House and Tikendrajit House participants House master please send one participant is for girls any Pauna House students and any Tikendrajit House student from class 3 to 5 can come out and join the 100 meter race. Hello.